Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill here to share the April card kit. So our card kit comes out every other month and it is just jam-packed full this month. I can't wait to show you everything that's in here. So this month we're featuring Simple Stories, the gingham and the solids paper in the 6x6. We also have Lawn Fawn, a stamp and a die. We have sequins, we have die cuts, we have frames, everything that you're going to need to make some really amazing cards. So let's dig in. I'm going to give you a closer look at everything. Let me get some of this moved so we can see the paper and all of that first. So you always receive 6 card bases and envelopes. So we have those in white. We also have 4 sheets of white 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And this month we have a fun little thing. We have 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 acetate. I know that's going to probably really play with the colors on my camera. But that's so you can make some shaker boxes. I'm going to tuck that underneath this cardstock so maybe it won't mess with my lighting too much. Okay, so you have card bases, you have a white cardstock, you have acetate, and then you have 6x6 papers. So we have the gingham, and we have 6 different sheets, 6 different colors. These are the same front and back, so very springy. And then we have the solids, which these are fun. These are different colors. So we have the green with the purple on the back. We have aqua and yellow on the back. And then we have pink with green on the back. And these have this little ledger and text and distressing. So super pretty. Just look at all those gorgeous colors. Then you're also going to get the Lawn Fawn stamp here. You're the zest. So we have a little lemon. You have little faces that you can stamp on here. You're the zest, squeeze the day, as well as the die. So if you have a die cutting machine, you can cut out that lemon. You can stamp that and then cut it out. You could cut it out of some of the paper here or out of your white cardstock and then just color it with some either ink with a water brush or watercolors. You can color those all kinds of ways. Okay, then this month we also have these awesome die cuts. So you're going to get 6 of these frames. There's this one that says thanks in the black. We have this one that says hello. And this little stamp and die fits right in there. So that's so cute. And then you could stamp that inside or up here on your card. Then we have just some other little frames. So here's a rectangle, an oval, a circle. You have the centers of those as well. We have a couple of little leaves. And then we have this one here that reminds me of the shape of a lemon in the yellow. Lots of fun. Then you have 2 feet of twine. And then you're going to get 3 different types of sequins. So if you decide to make those little shaker cards, we have the little lemon slices with the yellow and green sprinkles. And then we have all the pastel sprinkles and some white circles and squares. So you can just fill those up. Is that not adorable? So that is your April card kit. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. Also, you have access to recipe cards for cards that are designed by our design team. So be sure to download those and you can create cards right along with our design team. Join in on the challenges and just have a lot of fun with us. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.